Hello, this is our BLE server and client code. This time we're focusing on the client part. This client is also an ESP32 connected to a different computer. The purpose of this is to test whether we can have two ESP32 connected via Bluetooth. So a light sensor value can be sent from one server ESP32 to the client ESP32. Right here in our code, we include the BLE library. Right here, we have the BLE server name and the two UUIDs we used in our server code. These have to match so the connection can go through successfully. This line is used to tell users when to attempt connection. And this is for when they're successfully connected. Right here, we find the BLE server address during a scan. Right here, we also find the light characteristics from the server, which would be the light sensor values. Right here, we enable notifications, and we store the light sensor data. And then this is for when the client has received new data. Right here, we use these lines to connect to the server. And if we are connected successfully, it will be printed in the serial monitor. Right here, we get the service from the server using the UUIDs, which would be getting notifications. This is to try to connect to the server. If the connection was a failure, we will get a message on the serial monitor. And if the connection was successful, we will get a message on the serial monitor as well. This line is to handle incoming notification from the server. Well, right here, it's just preparing the ESP32 to get to be ready for the data. Right here, when a notification is received, we store the data as a string, and then we know it will be printed on the serial monitor. And these lines, if a new device is discovered while scanning, we check to see if it has the BLE server name that we are looking for. We stop scanning once the correct device is found. We save the address of the server, and then we connect to the server. We will then get a message on the serial monitor letting us know that we are successfully connected to the server ESP32. Here in the setup, we begin our serial monitor. We print a message to the serial monitor to make the ESP32 a client and be able to receive notifications. And then right here in the loop, if the correct server is found and we are not yet connected, we connect it now. We print the message to the serial monitor. We enable notifications, and we are now successfully connected. Fail to connect, we will get a message on the serial monitor, and we will try to connect again. And right here, we get the light sensor values from the server, and the values are printed on the serial monitor. We allow a small delay and keep on updating the new light values until it's disconnected. Thank you.